nigga, what do you mean? Yeah, you don't smoke my team. My young nigga giving that. My young nigga giving that hair out. My young nigga giving that double top. Bitch, these nigga bitches. I put my city up on the mount. Yeah, I put my city up on the mount. I put my team on my back. Fuck is you talk about? I said a nigga hating, then I go get a hat. Yeah, we go get your hat. Yeah, nigga, I'm from the west side. That nigga play with that money. You know I go let that tape ride. As the dusty play with that money, you know it's a must. Go get 'em. I got that Glock like homie, no try me, nigga. Yeah, you know I'm a bust. Yeah, 50 cent shot with his love, just remember pull up, but you know ain't no getting up. No, whole lot of shots, nigga. Had a trap, nigga. Mama named them leases up. I got the trap, nigga. You get shot, your shit for that tweet and stuff. Yeah, can't let my people know one for that. This is me, gotta say 100. We can leave up if you say you want it. I don't know, beef running around the corner. Yeah, fuck nigga.